Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the bubble sort problem. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topic. Now if we discuss about the bubble sort, what it says is if two adjacent elements are compared, and if it is in correct order, keep it that like only. So correct order, or else swap it in the sorted order. So we can sort in two ways, that is descending order or ascending order. In most of the exams they will ask to sort in the ascending order. So ascending means increasing order. So what we will do, we will compare the two elements. If they are in the ascending order, that is increasing order, we will keep as it is same, no changes will be done in them. If not, we will swap. So first let's consider it. Pass 1. So let's call the first step as pass 1. So what are my elements? 15 is there, 16 is there, and 6 is there, 8 and 5. Now what I will do, I will compare between these two. So 15 and 16. 15 is less than 16. I am sorting in the increasing order. Increasing means ascending order. So it is in the perfect order only. 15 is less than 16. So what I will do, I will jump for the next one. Now what I will do, I will compare in between 16 and 6. So 15, 16 will be same, 6, 8, 5. Now I will compare between these two, 16 and 6. So here 6 is less than 16. 6 is less than 16. They are not in the sorted, that is increasing order. What I will do, I will swap this. So if I swap, 15 will be here, 6 will be here, 16 will be swapped up to its place, 8 and 5. Now next two, 16 and 6 will be compared. 8 is less than 16. I will swap them. So 15, 6, 8, 16 and 5. Now compare between 16 and 5. So 5 is less than 16. Just swap. 15, 5, 8, 5 and 16. Now what I will do is, I will see. So this one pass is done. That is from here we started and we went up to the end. So one pass is done. Now let's go for pass 2. Until all the elements are arranged in the increasing order, we will be going step by step. So steps will be called as pass 1, pass 2, like that. Now what are the elements for me at the last step? 15, 5, 8, 5 and 16. I will compare first two, 5 and 15. So 5 is less than 15. So I will swap. So 5 will be here, 15, 8, 5, 16. Now 5 and 8 will be compared. 8 is less than 15. So swap. 5, 8, 15, 5 and 16. Sorry, this was 6. Oh, small mistake has been done. This is 6. Okay, so 6 is less than 15. So 6 will be here. 6, 8. Now compare between 15 and 5. So 5 is less than 15. Therefore swap. So 6, 8, 5 will be here. 15 will be swapped. Now compare these two. So 15 and 16 is in the same order, that is increasing order. We will leave that there. Now we will see whether the full elements are in the increasing order. 6, 8, 5. So 5 is less than 8. So I must do another pass. Pass 3. So I will just copy the last step. 6, 8, 5, 15 and 16. Now apply. 6 and 8. So 6 is less than 8. Therefore it is correct only in the sorted order. Now 8 and 5 will be compared. So 5 is less than 8. 5 is less than 8. So swap. 5, 8, 15, 16. Now if you compare 8 and 15, they are in the same order. So write as it is. 5, 8, 15, 16. Because 8 is less than 15. Next, if you compare 15 and 16, they are in the correct order. 6, 5, 8, 15, 16. Now you see 5 is less than 6. If it come this side, my process will be done, because we are arranging in the increasing order. It will be arranged in the increasing order. So I will go for pass 4. Pass 4. In pass 4 I will copy this one. 6. That is the last step of the previous pass. 6, 5, 8, 15 and 16. Now compare between these two. So 5 is less than 6. What I will do, I will just swap the number. 5 will come here, 6 will be here. 8, 15 and 16. Now compare these two. 6 is less than 8, so this is perfect. Next, 5, 6, 8, 15, 16. Now we will compare these two. So 8 is less than 15, so it is perfect. Next, last step is 5, 6, 8, 15 and 16. If you compare these two, 15 is less than 16, so it is also correct. If you see 5, 6, 8, 15, 16. So we arranged in the ascending order, that is the increasing order of the numbers. So this is the operation of the bubble salt algorithm. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topic. And if you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.